What's up, Pyros? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make rockets out of these Screaming Willies. Here's what they do. So the quick overview is you're going to pull these black tubes out of the Screaming Willies and tape it to a stick and you have your rocket. So to make these, you're really just going to need the Screaming Willy brand of fireworks. You're going to need this specific one. I will leave more info in the description about that. You'll need some sticks. I got these skewers at Safeway, and some glue or tape. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the base off of the bottom. And you're going to make a cut, and you're going to rip and unwind it until you get to this plastic tube in the inside. Disconnect where it's glued on with the glue right there, and then pull it out. Then you're going to put a bead of glue on the side and glue it to your stick.